Alright guys, we did this whole entire subdivision. We can't get rid of the red clay because of the chemicals going down in the drain. It tells you that it leads right into the river. There's a river behind this subdivision. Michael, show them on the cap down here. On the cap. I don't know if you can see it. So we can't use any chemicals. So the red clay cannot be removed all the way. So we did the sidewalks of all of the subdivision. We did, let's place this down this way, all the way down there, down this street, all the way to the corner. This entire section, we did the entire subdivision. We did a couple of driveways in here. Also, I didn't film it because it's just driveways. So we had a couple of deer come out on us. You see the ducks, the squirrels. Some people were decent in here. Some people bought us pizza. Some people gave us water.
Some people were awful.
And a lot
most were awful.
Were disrespectful. I don't know what it was about, but they had no respect for us out in the street. Wasn't giving us time to move our hose. Some lived in here, some didn't. Some were Uber drivers. No, Uber drivers are okay. Amazon people were okay.
It was the
UPS
residents.
driver. It was the residents.
It was
really.
the residents.
We did all the way down there. It's about three extra streets down.
There's 2 extra streets down here. Guess we're going.
We did, as you can see, we did all the sidewalks, the gutters, the islands. They made us stop right here. I don't know if you can see the difference.
You can see the difference.
They made us stop because they said this stuff's going to be repaired, which it doesn't make any sense. We should have just cleaned where there were no cracks. We could have did this whole side over here, but they decided not to save a couple of $100, which was pretty just damage on that sidewalk. This guy here is supposed to call us, but he's not going to.
He's definitely not.
We did this way. We did down here, all the way down there. I'm just going back up. And this guy in the corner got some big dogs. He got some cane, what are they called?
Cane Corsos?
Cane Corsos. But he said he charged you $2,500 for them?
Yeah. Nah, I wanted a
Akita.
Akita.
What's the Cane Corso?
No, he has Cane Corsos. He just had an Akita.
Oh. The other guy had the Akita.
Yeah, the other guy had the Akita. That's the guy I was talking to.
He had the Cane Corso.
He said 26? Kind of steep.
Yeah, $2,600 for a dog that's gonna live 8 years. Okay.
8 years? I don't know about that.
It's better than marriage. I'm just joking. Yeah, no, it's better than marriage.
No, you agree with it. I don't know why you're doubling back.
It's cheaper than marriage. Yeah, we did this whole entire subdivision.
The biggest section is the one we didn't go down.
Yeah. HOA is a pain in the butt to deal with.
They really are.
We may have another subdivision in Woodstock, Georgia, which is, I would say, 3 times this size.
Yeah, easily. It's a golf course.
Yeah, it's a golf course, so you can imagine how big it is. We did all the way down this way. Does she want us?
No.
Oh. She's just waving?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, he's trying to catch us.
Who?
Let me see. I think he's the HOA president. He's trying to catch us.